Hello students, today we are going to cover topic of this hidden goodwill. Hidden goodwill is what? Which is not given in the question, and we have to find out, we have to calculate the goodwill of the firm. So in this case what happens, only the capital brought by the partner, new partner, incoming partner is there, and his share is given. Along with that, old partner's capital and reserves and accumulated profits are given sometimes. And we have to find out, with that we have to find out the amount of goodwill of the firm. So how it is calculated? It is calculated, we will take an example. If A and B are the partners in a firm, okay, A and B are the partner in the firm, they divide the profit in ratio of whatever it is, 2:3, and it is immaterial this ratio here, but will give. And their capital is in the firm is 3 lakhs and 4 lakhs rupees. 3 lakhs and 4 lakhs is their capital. Now they admit C into the firm for 1/4 part. Okay? For 1/4 part, they admit C into the firm, for which he brings 3 lakhs as capital. And now we have to find out the hidden goodwill. So here, C is bringing 3 lakh rupees for his 1/4 part. It means what? For 1/4 part, if he is bringing 3 lakh rupees capital, it means for the entire share, the complete share, and the total value of the capital should be how much? If for 1/4 3 lakh rupees is there, for 1 it would be 3 lakh 4/1, that is 3 4 is 12 lakh. This is the value. Total capital of the firm is 12 lakh rupees. But now we will see how much total capital is there. Now the total capital, this should be total capital of firm should be, okay, this much. But how much is the total capital? Total capital is what? Capital of A plus B plus C is how much? That is, A's capital 3 lakh, B's capital 3 lakhs plus 4 lakhs plus C's, the new partner, his capital is 3 lakhs. Total how much? 3, 4, 7 and 3, 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs is the total capital. It means this 2 lakh is what? Means the capital is this 10 lakh, and when C is bringing 3 lakh rupees, and for his 1/4 share, the total capital should be how much? 12 lakh. 12 lakh, if you deduct this capital of all these three, it comes 2 lakh. Then comes the 2 lakh. So this 2 lakh is what? This is the value of the goodwill in the firm. This is the value of the goodwill. This is not given in the question, and this is the hidden goodwill. Okay. Now, if we want to make the journal entries for that, what we will do? First journal entry, he brings capital. What is the journal entry for that? 3 lakh rupees. So cash or bank account debit. We can say bank account debit to C's capital account, that is 3 lakhs. So here we will make what? Journal entry. Here bank account debit to C's capital account. Okay, how much it is? C is bringing this 3 lakh rupees. So 3 lakh rupees and we will write the narration here. See, this is admitted and he brings rupees 3 lakh as the capital. Okay. Now second thing is that now his share of goodwill is what? 2 lakh rupees is the total goodwill of the firm. He is taking 1/4 share. So how much he should bring? 1/4 of this 2 lakh, that is 50,000. 50,000 is capital. This amount of premium he should bring. So, but he is not bringing. So his account will be debited with that. As we have already studied, if the person doesn't bring amount of premium, his account is debited. So here, so second entry is what? C's capital account debit to this A's capital to B's capital account here. But how much amount? C's, so 50,000 rupees will be debited because he had to bring this 50,000 which is not bringing. This will be credited in A's and B's capital account in the sacrificing ratio. So we have to calculate the sacrificing ratio. Here, what would be the sacrificing ratio? Because when the share of new partner is given in the question and nothing is given in the question, except that new partner has come for this much of share, in that case sacrificing ratio is the old profit sharing ratio of among old partners. So that is what we are sacrificing in the ratio of 2:3. So this is the sacrificing ratio, 2:3. So 50,000 will be divided into 2:3. 2:3 means divided by 5 into 20,000 and 30,000. For amount, narration would be what? For amount, this credited to old partners for the amount of premium and their sacrificing rate. After this, if they want to this A and B want to withdraw the amount, and they can withdraw, and with that what would be the journal entry? A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to cash or bank, whatever it is. Okay. So this way hidden goodwill treatment is there. If here we have deducted A's capital, B's capital, C's capital total here. Sometimes in the question is given what? That some reserves are given, that old partners capital is given here, and then share of undistributed profit is there, or some reserves are there. So all that should be added, because that is the part of there, because whatever if undistributed profits are there or amount of reserves are there, it is the part of the profit, that is, or we can say it is the share of the profit that is to be given to the distributed among this between or among the partners. That is the amount of the partners actually, which was of the profit which was not distributed. So it should also be added here, A's capital, B's capital, undistributed profits, and reserves, if there are some losses. so that is also be deducted. So all that should be included here to find out this amount of goodwill. Okay, with that we can solve the questions here of the hidden goodwill from your book. Okay, thank you. Okay, have a nice day.